All right, so I finished recording my video using Loom, and I want to trim. The other thing you can do, if you want, is you can download this video. You might be able to. If you have an EDU account, let me know if you have trouble with that. But we're going to start trimming because whoops. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3 again. Right, so hello everyone. Where I want to start trimming. Okay, so the trimming is this part. Okay, so I'm gonna trim out. Where do I? It's the red. Okay, nope. I think it was like, and if it's not perfect, don't worry about it, guys. Hello everyone. My name. See, there we go. So everything on the red parts will be trimmed out. Okay, it's kind of weird. They do it that way. And then I am going to publish those changes. And let's watch it again. Hello everyone, my name is Bob Wynn. I am running for the position of middle. And for some reason there's 3 seconds at the end, and that's just me turning it off, right? So I'm going to go ahead and trim that part of the video. Start trimming. And you can just slide it around till you figure out, yep. So I guess just let it catch up there. And if it's like, if it shows something, don't worry, guys. It's really not a big deal. For some reason, it's, oh yeah. Huh. It's not 7 seconds. Because I trimmed the first part, that's right. So if I trim out 4 seconds here, see what it does. I'm going to remove that. We're going to publish the changes. And it should be 1 minute and 20 seconds. Hello everyone, my name is Bob Wynn. I am running for the position of Minister of Education. Access to education stage. According to her research, teachers do not have the resource setting for me, Bob Wynn. Uh-oh, sorry guys. You're going to get an echo. And choose a better increase the budget for English language classes. I will also improve teacher training to provide a comfort and choose a. Okay, so that's how you trim. You might, if you don't want to trim it, it's fine. I will figure it out as long as your timing is right. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you right now is how to do this on Google Slides. Okay, so I'll come back and we'll do that soon.